Okay guys, so this is the newly repaired Fluke unit. So this is actually the serial number. So we'll be testing the functionality of this one. Okay, go. Check.
So right now, the voltage is working. We are now going to attempt the current. So I'm going to insert phase A. Then after that, I'm going to insert phase B. As you can see, there the current in phase A is color green, phase B is color yellow, and phase C is color red. Once I insert phase C, both will momentarily be red. I think it's permanent. Okay. Then next is going to insert phase C. So this is the output. If I try to remove phase B, there will be reading for phase A and phase C. Now I will try to attempt to remove phase A and insert back phase B. There will be reading for phase B and phase C. But if I try to connect all three, only one phase will be read. We'll have a reading. Okay. And this is the configuration. This is Delta corner ground config.